My name is Beatriz Eugenia Garzón. In my previous vacation, I was with my family in the city of San Andres. We stationed at the Hotel Sunrise and had great time. I was a spectacular experience. I'm currently living in the city of Palmira. It's a very sunny city with an approximate temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. It is the agricultural capital of Colombia. It's important that comfortable and not warm clothes be worn in that city. It's well known for its sugar cultivation. Palmyra, as many tourist places, it's recommended that with going out to visit the Nirvana Reserve, a very rural place where contact with nature is very relaxed. It is necessary to wear comfortable shoes to walk and breathe plenty of water to drink as they are traveling low. Commentary 100 word. In my previous vacations, we visited San Andres Isla with, with my husband and daughter. We stationed at the Sunrise Hotel, the room and beautiful view, in which you could visualize and the sea of the seven colors with anchor, and we do see the beach with other delicious typical dishes, and we are touring the island in a golf cart with Snell, the puppy, Ole, the Cave of Morgan, the pool, the beach of San Luis, and the aquarium and beautiful place with a variety of fish. San Andres is a spectacular place that is worth visit. Recommendation: what people should do. In the city of San Andres, people should do to visit the island of the aquarium. It is very beautiful with a spectacular with of variety the fish. It's important to wear as masks. People must take care of their belongings with visit beach. People should wear light and comfortable clothes. The Hotel Sunrise is the place where people should stay. People should be careful in the foods do we consume. What people should not do, people should not leave trash on beach. People should not consume liquor in excess. People should not talk to strangers. People should not neglect their baths. People should not spend much. Thank you.